Claros Italian markets have been a Southern California tradition for 60 years, and this store on North Mountain Avenue has been part of the Upland community for nearly 30 years. Once you walk through the doors, you can see and smell why Claros has been so successful and built such a loyal customer base over the years. The first thing that strikes you when you come into Claros is how much it looks like a traditional market of days gone by. Oh, and those heavenly scents of homemade pasta dishes, Italian meats, and fresh bread.
We make our own sauce, we make lasagna, we make stuffed shells that we freeze that you can get, and we also make them fresh for catering, for parties. People travel all over to get the sausage because technically by law you could put bone and filler in the sausage, but my father-in-law wouldn't allow any of that. It's just strictly the pork and the seasoning. It's things they just can't find every place else. And if they want lunch meats for home and stuff, they do taste different when they're cut fresh to order. And we do try to get salamis, they're authentic. We have prosciutto from Italy, and just things you can't find in the regular supermarket.
And Claros is truly a family operation, with many second, third, and fourth generations of the Claros family working in the markets. And it's that family feel that is part of the Italian and Claros tradition.
Family is probably the biggest part of Italian life, I think. Family and food. They go hand in hand. When you go to an Italian house, the first thing they do is sit down, give you something to eat, have a glass of wine. We don't give a glass of wine here, but you know, it's more family, you know what I mean? So when you come here, you get stuff that you're going to sit down at the table and just talk, or play cards, or do things together. Where, to me, today, a lot of things today are people are on the computer all the time. They don't socialize like they used to. People come in here seeing people they haven't seen in a couple years, and they talk and they sing. And it's almost a social event.
Social event or not, one thing is for sure. The food at Claros is outstanding. Whether you're coming in for cold cuts, an Italian sub sandwich, fresh homemade pizza dough, or authentic Italian ingredients for home cooking, maybe even a bottle of wine, you'll find things for an incredible meal. And if you don't know what to cook or how to prepare a certain dish, Claros always provides free recipes and cooking guides. If you'd like to experience the Claros tradition, the Upland store is located at 1655 North Mountain Avenue. They're open every day except Wednesdays, and they do offer catering. Or for other stores throughout Southern California, visit their website at claros.com. In Upland, I'm David Wylie for Southern California Life.